Dependable service. Dependableservice.com.
The thing that sets Dependable Service apart from other plumbing companies is definitely the people. The owners here operate on faith-based values, and they're constantly encouraging of their employees. They don't dictate to us and delegate and tell us what to do. They let us be unique and come up with our own ideas, and they're helpful and very supportive, and the people here are just the best thing about Dependable Service. So when it comes to our rebrand decision, you know, our biggest reasoning behind it is we had gone from DS and had been known as DS for years, and it came to a point where DS just didn't stand for anything anymore, and we wanted to go back to our roots and be known for what we're good at, and that's providing dependable service. So the decision to go back to our roots and become Dependable Service Plumbing was an easy decision for us to make. It felt very natural. And that was definitely something that made, like I said, it made that decision easy for us. So integrating a mascot for us was something that we've never thought to do before. We, you know, had batted some things around in the past, but it was never something that had come to fruition. So when the idea of a mascot came up, you know, our mascot John just gives us so many legs to use for marketing long term, and so the ability to have a mascot and potentially, you know, maybe even have a mascot costume for us to take to marketing events is something that's just going to be new and fresh and exciting, and it just ties hand in hand with a fresh brand, a new mascot, and the collaboration of those things together, working hand in hand, is just something that that I think is going to work really well for us. Our mascot's name is John, and even that didn't start as John. You know, we batted around a bunch of different names in that process, but our company, being a faith-based company at Dependable Service, is run by God-fearing men, and we decided and prayed really hard about, you know, what name do we want to use for our mascot. We don't want it to just be some Joe Schmo name that has no meaning to us. We wanted every piece of our rebrand to have meaning to us. So you know, John in the Bible was a cousin of Jesus, and his whole mission in life was to become less so that Jesus could become more. And you know, that's who we are at Dependable Service. We want to become less so that we can provide more to our customers, to our God, and you know, just to be able to provide the best service that we possibly can. When people call Dependable Service, they're looking for professionalism. They're looking for people that care about them and not just what their plumbing issue is, and not just about making a dollar. We here at Dependable Service truly care about our customers. We care about each other, and that's definitely what's most important.
Dependableservice.com.